Now, before you dive in, I want to quickly go over how you should take the rest of the course. There are two groups of you. One of you wants to just get the gist of it as quickly as possible, and the other group may want to go a deep dive and learn everything that's in this course. Well, if you're the first group and you want to just get a quick feel for all the important concepts, then just take the lectures that are labeled Too Long Didn't Watch, the TLDW lectures. They provide a summary of the core concepts for each section. It won't cover everything, but you're going to get the gist of it in a lot less time. Now, if you have time to really go through lecture to lecture, I encourage you to watch every single lecture and go through the TLDW summaries so that they can help you refresh what you've just learned. Of course, regardless of which route you take, I encourage you to do the exercises. You can listen all you want, but if you do the exercises, you're going to learn and retain the concepts, and you're going to be able to evaluate investment opportunities much more confidently. Finally, if you see an Excel file on the screen, but you don't see it in the download menu, don't worry about it. If you're seeing it and I don't have it for download for that lecture, it means I just want to show it to you. If it's meant for you to download and follow along, it will be available in that lecture.